Hello and welcome to Direct 4x4. Today we're going to be showing you how to fit aftermarket side steps onto an Audi Q7. This one's on a 2018 plate, so if you follow me under the vehicle, we'll have a look how they're fitted. Okay, so at the rear of the vehicle, you've got the rear bracket here. You've got a bolt just up here. You can see the T-bolt just sticking out, shows just there. That goes underneath the sill cover here. So you'll have to cut a bit of that away. And then underneath here, you do have another T-bolt at the back of the bracket, just underneath this under tray. Moving on to the middle bracket, you've got a T-bolt here at the back of the bracket, and then a T-bolt into the sill just here. And then it's bolted onto the board just there. And then on the front, you've got a T-bolt here at the back. And then on the front of the bracket, you've got a T-bolt just up here, again, into the sill. You'll have to cut a bit of the sill cover away, and it's bolted onto the boards. That's the same on both sides, but we've got the under trays put on over here. So you can see that we've had to cut a bit of the sill cover, under tray away here. Again, we've had to cut a tiny bit away here, and at the back, you'd have seen on the other side as well, we've had to cut a tiny bit away just to let the brackets fit on. The rear brackets themselves, they don't use T-bolts. You can see, if you look under here, there's a bolt just there. That's used on both sides. It's a pre-existing bolt that's already in the chassis, so you can just use that. So that's it for this video. Just remember that if you are having trouble fitting these steps, you have this video, our fitting guides, or we're available on the phone if you need us. So that's it, and see you next time on Direct 4x4.